I'm going to be showing you how to ship your Etsy order. So here's a clear step-by-step guide on it. So what you need to do is go to your orders, just open Shop Manager, and then you need to find orders and shipping. So it's pretty simple. So what you need to do is open the order, and once you find it, you just need to click it to view details like the buyer address, items ordered, the quantity, and then you just need to pack the item, prepare your products, use proper packaging like box, envelope, add protection, bubble wrap if needed, and include thank you notes. It's optional, but it's good for reviews. And then you can choose shipping method. So Etsy shipping label is recommended. All you need to do is tap on print shipping label and enter package weight and pay and print label. So it's cheaper and it has tracking included. Or you can also ship manually. You just need to go to post order or courier and pay shipping yourself and get tracking number. You can attach labels, stick label on a package clearly and remove old labels if reusing boxes, and mark order as shipped. Now all you need to do is go back to your order page, click on mark as shipped, and you need to add a tracking number if available, and buyer gets notification automatically. And then all you need to do is send the package, track delivery, and that's all you really need to do. So that's how you ship your Etsy products safely. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.